Hey guys, this is Navina Reddy. The content we gonna see now is putrefaction in foods. What is putrefaction? Putrefaction is a proteolytic action, that is breakdown of proteins done by proteolytic microorganisms under certain favorable conditions in a food containing nitrogen compounds. In general, putrefaction is the fifth stage of death after pale mortis, which is paleness of the skin, alga mortis, coldness, rigor mortis, stiffness, and livor mortis, color change that occurs after death of an animal. Since ammonia is liberated as a result of nitrogen breakdown, it is also called as ammonification process. This is the mechanism of putrefaction. We knew nitrogen in the foods is found in the form of protein. When these bioorganic substances are not maintained in proper atmosphere or condition, or when they are contaminated, they tend to undergo hydrolysis, that is breakdown. Breakdown of protein by the microbial enzymes results in polypeptides, smaller peptides, or amino acids. These amino acids, which are the products of protein breakdown, serves as nutrient base for microorganisms to grow. Primarily, we use our senses to identify spoilage of foods. In case of this spoilage, olfactory receptors are predominantly utilized as a foul-smelling gas named hydrogen sulfide is liberated. Not just it, along with it, ammonia, nitrates, methane, mercaptons, and other products are also produced, depending upon the food product. As you see, this is a fresh meat which, on spoilage by proteolytic microorganisms, looks like this. So these are some of the common microorganisms responsible for putrefaction in various foods. World is made up of living and non-living things, so is the source of microbial contamination. Abiotic sources or non-living environment like soil, contaminated water, air, and so on. Living or abiotic sources are from pets, flies, rodents, etc. Aftermath of putrefaction include release of certain toxins as an intermediate product, biogenic amines which are produced due to decarboxylation of the food, and also certain undesirable changes takes place in the physical structure, nutritive value, sensory attributes of the food. Whenever an activity, a work, or an action happens, there are always certain factors to either hinder it or boost it. Just like that, putrefaction is also affected by internal and external factors. External factors include temperature. Temperature is always directly proportional to the rate of putrefaction from 0 to 48 degrees Celsius. That is, with increase in temperature, the putrefaction rate also increases. Below 0 degrees Celsius and above 48 degrees Celsius, the temperature is inversely proportional to the rate of putrefaction. Moisture. Lesser the moisture, delayed is the process. Mummification also prevents putrefaction by preventing microbial growth. Mummification happens when the environment is hot and the air is very dry. Light slows down the process. Other hindering factors include processing methods and addition of preservatives, while poor personal and environmental hygiene results in increased contamination of the food. The internal factors include the condition of the food itself, which includes pH. Optimum pH for microbial growth is 6.5 to 7. There are certain microorganisms which grow beyond 7 and below 6.5 pH. Example, acidophilus grows at 3 pH. The next one is nutrient composition of the food. Greater the nutritive value, greater is the source of food for the microorganisms. Water activity. Microbes use water to move across cell. When water activity in the cells become low, the microbial cells become dormant. This doesn't kill the microbes but hinders their growth. The desirable water activity is more than 0.95 for microbial growth. Obviously for water it is 1. These are some of the processing techniques to keep the microorganisms at check. So guys, I think this was simple and understandable. Thank you.